we are here at Johnnie's in Chicago where they only take cash, so we had to go to the ATM. But we are here for some Italian sausage and beef. Check it out.
This is without the price. 25
You want fry?
Yes, I want fry.
Okay. Yep.
Chill. You catch it. There it is. Ketchup, thank you. Genius, just genius. We'll have to taste this.
On the right side. Just imagine a soaker. I know that thing.
What?
I could not.
Let me see. Oh yeah, that's that Italian beef right there. Italian.
How you say it?
Okay.
Oh, wow. I'm so excited. It smells like a...
Man, I can go get us some gravy now. Ain't but $2.
It's good.
It's good.
They sopped it up.
Oh, it's sopped up? What about you, Momo?
It's so fire.
It's good. It's good.
Yeah. It's not even like as soggy as I thought it would be. It's great.
It's good. It's good.
They get you in and out of that place.
That's awesome. Yeah. That was quick.
That was so fast.
I mean, they got us in and got us out.
With the fries, it's good.
Now, these kids have never been to Crumbl Cookie. Never. And of course, I had to take them. I was like, never been to Crumbl Cookie? Come on, let's go to Crumbl. You want? You know what you want? So you got to go over there to the. You got to go over to the thing to order. Or you can do it here. I think you can do it here if you want to. How you take it out? And what's that other one over there that's full of icing?
This is our Dutchess cake.
Oh, it's cake.
Yes.
Gotcha. You should say mo Mo finna tie 'em up. Tie 'em up. Yup, they girl. Man, they warm, man. Ooh, 750. That one gotta be more than 750.
Yeah. I'm saying
That gotta be.
Well, the chocolate chip alone is 750.
Child.
Everything else is 1,000. I only want half.
Let's go. Let's go.
Lord.
All right, man. Go. What you getting?
Ooh, goodness.
Man, what you got?
Same thing.
Cookies and cream?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you got 2 of them.
Oh, my God.
What you think?
It's good.
It's good?
I give it an 8.
It's a sugar cookie.
8.5.
Oreos on it.
It satisfies. What you say, Mo?
8.5.
8.5.
9.
9. I want to try this here. What is this? Fred Flintstone. Oh my God. Yep, that's cereal.
Babe, break that one for me.
Good.
Which one's the best one, babe?
Best one? Man say?
Chocolate chip and a banana.
Banana.
Really? You don't like the cookies and cream?
It's a sugar cookie to me.
The cookies and cream one?
Can I taste that one?
It's good. It's good.
All right, Mo, what you think?
Man, don't know what he's talking about. That's a basic cookie.
It's a basic cookie.
Maybe I'm basic. I don't know.
But you like the regular. I thought
I'm just playing with you, babe.
I thought the banana bread was the one.
I like that one better.
Oh, you like the chocolate chip better than the banana bread?
Banana bread #1.
Banana bread tastes way better than
Oh yeah.
It's not over sweet. It's like a banana. It's like a banana bread
It tastes just like the
with
actual
icing.
bread, yeah.
Yeah, that's all it is.
No, banana bread is number one. Then the oatmeal. Well, I'm gonna say
Not oatmeal, but
the cookies and cream is number two.
That banana bread, bro. It's not over sweet.
It got the perfect banana flavor.
Yeah, perfect banana flavor. It's not over sweetened. That's the best one out of all of them.
Really.
I mean, all of them good. Like, if you want something sweet,
it's gonna hit that sweet tooth, ain't it?
but something that's satisfying. That banana
bread.
I'm done now.
Be
Man, you done?
Yeah, me too.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
We ate pretty much 2.5.
All right, I'm gonna try
cookies.
some of this here.
You gonna be
What you talking about? Yeah, we're gonna need some.
You like banana bread too. You just need some nuts in it.
Oh my God. Yeah, you Lord. Come here.
All it needs was like some
Oh yeah, that's good.
walnuts in it.
That's what you need.
Yeah,
You some water.
Put some
You
walnuts
some
in it.
nuts in there. You through?
That's the only thing.
Yeah.
Missing.
That's
And
good.
every week they make new cookies.
The new flavors come out every week.
Oh wow.
You want to try to get one? You want some more?
I had enough now.
Okay, me too.
We had plenty.
You're gonna get a headache. For real, we can't eat too many.
Woo!
Definitely.
Got these chaps with. My goodness. So we're going to the river. By the riverside, say what now? Now that's the little boats and tours you was talking about. They run all the time. You know, they still kite. Say what now?
They ain't cold. They get light jackets and leggings.
But see, to them, this is great weather.
Oh,
But for me, I'm freezing.
me too. My cheeks is cold.
Right.
That's a rooftop bar right there.
So, which one?
This right here, Chase.
Oh, it says raised. It look like it is.
It got some flowers and stuff around.
It look like it is. So we can keep going because it ain't coming this way.
4 miles left.
I don't know about that, man, but I don't know if this historical.
Fresh seafood right there.
Huh?
So they might be getting fresh seafood right there.
It's good too. It's real good.
I just throw out my net. See what we caught.
Franchise restaurants.
Yeah, yeah.
It's its own restaurant.
I meet this girl
all these sirens. We finna let these folks have it.